Hi everyone, this is Samya. Welcome to a new vlog. So it's been quite a long time I didn't post anything on my channel. To be very frank, I couldn't think of any content, and specifically this week the lockdown is really hitting me. Like, I'm missing my family. I have crazy mood swings. There are days I just don't feel like getting up from my bed. I just sleep all day. I have my food. That's it. And the other days I just have my breakfast, attend classes, lunch, then just go for a walk and have my dinner and just doze off. This is what is happening in my life right now. I have stopped checking Instagram, YouTube. Feel like going back home just for a week, just be with my mom and my family. So that's what is happening with me right now. And today, so this is gonna be an elaborate video of preparing chicken curry and chapati. So let's get started. I'll keep the marinated chicken for about 1 hour and then start cooking. Meanwhile, I'll get rid of my facial hair. I have been shaving my face thrice a week now. I have hair growth faster, maybe because of the weather here. So I usually use the tinkle razors. I have got like a bunch of them. So yeah, let's get started. I usually apply some moisturizer. Here I'm using the Neutrogena moisturizer. Just apply all over my face and start shaving. The marinated chicken for about 1 hour and then start cooking. Meanwhile, I'll get rid of my facial hair. I have been shaving my face thrice a week now. I have hair growth faster, maybe because of the weather here. So I usually use the tinkle razors. I have got like a bunch of them. So yeah, let's get started. I usually apply some moisturizer. Here I'm using the Neutrogena moisturizer. Just apply all over my face and start shaving. Bushy, especially I can't take the hair off from this area. I think it's manageable. So what I do next is I just wash my face and put on some moisturizer. That's it. It's quite easy and doesn't hurt. It's almost 2 hours now. Right now it's 1:30. I'll start preparing the chicken. So this is how the chicken is looking. It's almost cooked. I'll take out the chicken in a plate and start making the gravy. So until the chicken gets fried and cooked, I'll chop some onions and grind 2 tomatoes in this for the gravy. I'm gonna sing down under the water, under the world. I'm gonna sing and I'm gonna sing under the world. I'm gonna sing down under the water, under the world. I'm gonna sing and I'm gonna sing under the world. I'm gonna sing down under the water, under the world. I'm gonna sing and I'm gonna sing. So now I would be starting with the gravy, and I'm not using fresh oil for this. I'll use the same oil that I used for frying the chicken. So I'll be adding the chopped onions and frying them until they turn brown, like golden brown. So once the onions are fried, I'll add the tomato puree and fry it for some more time. I think this would take almost half an hour on induction. So for this gravy, I'm adding all the same masalas that I added for the marination, because we don't have more masalas option here. So I'm gonna add and mix everything well, and for the same gravy I'll add the fried chicken and let it cook for another half an hour until all the water in the gravy gets absorbed and they're cooked well. After cooking chicken for almost an hour, the gravy looks dry. So we had it with chapati and onions. We just got done with the lunch and our neighbor gave us chicken hearts. So this looks like this. So I'll try it. I'm trying it for the first time. It's a heart. It's good. So today is 24th, the next day. कल मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. I went to my friend's place after the lunch. So today I am planning to explore €1 markets. I need to buy few stuffs like tweezer, body exfoliator, and I'll pick up things if I find anything good. And next I need to buy a SIM card. Internet here is so expensive. Back in India I used to use like 2 GB internet per day, then recharge it with extra internet sometimes, but here it's like €10 for 4.5 GB. So it is expensive, but and also our house Wi-Fi just breaks anytime and there's no WhatsApp calling with the Wi-Fi, so I need to buy a SIM now. So I just got ready. This is what I'm wearing. It's sunny, so I thought of wearing crop top. So I'll leave now, and yeah, the weather is so sunny, bright. What happened is I took a opposite direction metro, and the Uber that I took already reached the end station. So just a person came in and told me to wait for 10 minutes and this Uber will be leaving. I'm still not used to transportation here, and you guys can see I'm all alone. Everyone got down in the last station. I didn't realize. So I'll wait. So this is my story. I don't have phone battery to go to Euro Market. I'll get back home. Hopefully I can get into correct metro. So yeah, I'll end the vlog here. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.